So good morning, good people. This is Evewin Lakra back again with yet another product review video. Just now I purchased few items from Flipkart minutes in wonderful offer price. Let me show you the products which I purchased. The total number of product which I have purchased is 10, and the total amount I have paid for purchasing 10 product is rupees 467. So let me tell you all what I have purchased. This is the sweet corn. This is the classic brand Atta 5 kg pack. Duke's Nibbles biscuit 2 pack I have purchased. Appy Fizz, Flipkart was giving offer for just rupees 1. I purchased this Appy Fizz. And this is the classic Flipkart brand Maida or refined wheat flour. EMAMI brand 1 liter, not 1 liter, 730 milliliter rice bran oil. Yeah, rice bran oil. This is the cool brand egg, 6 piece for rupees 47, I guess. 47 rupees. Cool brand eggs 6 piece. Carrots and few onions. So these are the things I purchased for just rupees 467. So thumbs up to Flipkart minutes.